Hello, welcome back to Tech App. Today I just learned how to get 5 gig zone bundle on MTN, which is new and most of you guys don't know. So let's get started. Just dial *135# and select 2 from the pop-up list, which is zone bundle, and select 1 again, which is data zone bundle. And here are mine. So as for me, I want 5 series. This is 5.39, which is approximate to 5 series. So yeah, and 1 again to yes. Let's see. Congratulations, you have successfully blah 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 blah. So let me check the balance. So let's wait. Here we are. So I have 5,411.48 megabytes, which is 5 gig. Yeah. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.